The Homepod, a modular, prefabricated housing solution designed to give a sustainable, practical, and stylish lifestyle for the user. An infinitely scalable and variable design solution, a replaceable and mobile housing alternative. Pollution and overpopulation are major problems in this world, which the Homepod is designed to solve. Overpopulation is a universal issue that creates greater demand in living spaces, especially in regions such as China and India. And in the coming years, global population will increase dramatically, exponentially. Currently, there are around 5.6 million Americans living in manufactured homes, usually trailers or other forms of prefabricated houses. The high number is due to the housing crisis, as homes become increasingly extravagant and difficult to pay for. Homes such as trailers or camping cars not only lack customizability, but are also difficult when it comes to maintenance. Companies such as Deltec Homes and Connect Homes produce great prefabricated homes, similar to the Homepod. However, despite their ease in construction, they are no different from static homes in terms of environmental damage, waste, and post-usage portability. As an easily deployable, economical, and durable housing solution, the Homepod business can grow and give just by providing what the world needs most. Not only does it solve our global problems, but it is also environmentally conscious, as the Homepod does not need to be deconstructed and demolished like a static home. As much as it can be transported, reused, and recycled, the Homepod makes no construction and maintenance waste. The Homepod will focus on the elimination of on-site construction and renovation for static homes. It will reduce building material and energy waste, as well as construction and maintenance time. On the other hand, it will increase a home's scalability and customization options. As a result, financial and costing flexibility for both businesses and consumers will increase as well. With the advantages that Homepod provides, homes will be given portability, easy maintenance, multi-purpose applications, and inter-business trade availability. So how does the Homepod work, and how is it different from normal homes or other prefabricated structures? Imagine Lego bricks. Lego bricks are good, but too little or too many Lego bricks at once can be either too cheap or too expensive. How about a middle ground? The Homepod addresses this problem by allowing an infinitely variable amount of pods. The user can select how many bricks they want and find the right, desirable cost for them for whatever purpose. Each of these bricks come in 3 pieces: the base, the walls, and the core. Each part of the Homepod can be stored, collapsed, and shipped easily to any location. In a normal home, if any system goes defective, it may take days and of course a lot of waste material and great cost just to repair or reconstruct everything. On the other hand, if any part is broken or defective, it can be replaced with a new one right away, with minimal or virtually no construction maintenance cost. You can also change how the Homepod is arranged, as well as how it looks from both the inside and the outside. In terms of its aesthetics and practicality, the Homepod provides full freedom that tailors itself to you, all in one box. The Homepod is not only an effective static home replacement, but it can also be customized for far more applications, starting from an extra addition to your home, all the way to business-driven booths and facilities. As a result, the Homepod can benefit anyone, both normal consumers and businesses. As a humanitarian solution for overpopulation and refugees, for waste problems and pollution, the Homepod is not only a problem solver, but a new, practical, convenient, and stylish lifestyle. As of now, the Homepod is only a concept, but we hope to expand our learning and development to provide the world with an organized, sustainable, and elevated style of living.